Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to 2022. Well, it's been a minute since I posted my last video here, but if you follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, you know what I've been up to. And if you don't follow me there, I'm posting every single day, and yeah, come say hi. I was wondering what should be my first video for this year, and I was thinking a lot. So I came up with idea to do a follow-up videos of my luxury purchases, and that's what we are doing today. And the first one will be an update of my YSL medium college bag. Starting off with my YSL medium college bag. I was thinking that I can share my thoughts with you, what I like, what I dislike about the bag after wearing it for over a year now, and maybe I can help somebody who is currently looking for the exact bag or a similar one, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Let's start with the cons. Okay, so and then we'll finish on a nicer note, but let's begin with the things I don't really like about the bag. So first thing first, if you can hear the noise, it's basically coming from the chain. Can you hear that noise? Every time I move around the bag, you can hear this slightly annoying. Okay, that's my dog there. When I'm moving the bag around, you can hear that sound of the chain, right? So it can be quite annoying when wearing it, like when I'm wearing it crossbody like this, or even when I leave the chain and wear it just with the top handle, you can still hear the chain, like every time I move it. See, it's like hitting the back and then you can hear it. That's kind of a thing that I really don't like. So this will be the first thing that is bothering me. The second one, the lock, see, it can be really challenging. A little bit hard to open it because it's really secure. Okay, it's secure in a way, but sometimes when I'm in a hurry and I want to get my wallet or something quickly, I need to really push it, like I need to push it here. I need to push it and push it really hard, the lock, so you know what I mean. So it can be quite hard to open it when I'm in a hurry, or also I don't want to squeeze it, I don't want to deform it in a way every time when I'm opening, so I'm super careful, but also I need to push, and sometimes I am afraid that this thing can, like I can pull it and destroy the lock. So this is something that I dislike. Other than that, in my first impressions unboxing video, I shared that many people are complaining about this hole here. You can see there is some space, quite big, but I didn't have an issue with that. Anything closed? No, I am okay with that and I have no complaints about it. So let's continue with the pros and the thing I like about the bag. I like the size of it. I have seen reviews of people complaining that it's not medium size for them and that they find it really small and they can't really put a lot of things inside the bag. I don't have this issue with the bag. I am pretty happy with the size. I think it's perfect size. I can show you some pictures of me wearing it, so you can see the bag with my body proportions, 171 centimeters, and the bag is medium size. I was really looking for a medium. Okay, again my dog. My needs, I really wanted the medium size, and I think this is perfect medium size bag, and I love it. Second thing I like about the bag is the way you can wear it. It's not super versatile, like let's say the medium classic flap from Chanel, so where you can change the chain and really wear it like a shoulder bag. This one you can wear it crossbody with the chain, or you can remove the chain. Let's remove it so it's not that noisy. Yeah, so basically here is the bag without chain. It's not that noisy anymore. The other thing is that sometimes when you are holding it like this, it's not noisy. Like you still have some double chain here, both sides, but it's not noisy. So yeah, basically I like to wear it crossbody, and see, a little bit noisy when you're leaving the handle, top handle, but nothing bad. So I like the two ways of wearing the handbag. So with the top handle, and also with the chain. The chain you can do it crossbody, just on one shoulder. Yeah, I think it's super convenient, and I like that you have many options to wear it. So third thing I like about the bag is the quality of the leather. I think that the leather is really smooth, really shiny still after 1 year and a couple of months of wearing it. The shine is still there, and it looks like perfect. I have no complaints. I love, okay, this could be one more pro about the bag, the side pocket. Oh, there is a mask, but the side pocket, it's super convenient to, I always put my iPhone right there, so it's more reachable and easy to reach. I love the shine. Again, I love the leather, the shine, and the details. I'm pretty happy with the black logo, with the black details, the black chain. I think it's super stylish, super clean, super minimalistic and chic. That's why, and also that was the reason I purchased it, because I really like how sleek it is. Whether with the gold details and the silver ones, it's like bam in your eyes, but this one is really settled, so I love it. Yeah, I mentioned the side pocket. I love this. Otherwise, no complaints again about the leather. See, there is no, I'm super careful again of how I wear it, where I put it. I take a good care of it, and there is no trace of like stitches or something, some stains, nothing. Like I've been taking a good care of it. Again, it's versatile in a sense that you can style it with a casual outfit, casual looks, day looks, but you can really you can easily transition to a more evening looks, go out looks, event looks. Just with the top handle, I think it's super pretty. I use it. I went to the Zurich Film Festival last year and I was wearing it. I think it was a perfect match to my outfit. Also, I wear it as an evening bag when I'm going to a special dinners, just with the top handle. I think it's super pretty. I'm really happy. Yeah, no complaint again about the chain except the noisiness, but no complaints about the hardware of the chain. It's really it looks like we have no damages on the hardware, which is nice, and I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, overall these were my thoughts after 1 year of having the bag. Let me know in the comments if you own it, and if you have the same issues with the bag, or you have something else to share with the audience down below. Let me know, write the comment, and let's have a chat in the comments below. Let me know also if you want to see more follow-up videos of items I purchased. Let me know in the comments. I would love to do that. Also follow me on Instagram, Mariya Marinova, and I'll see you in my next one.